Hello you all, the amazing teachers and students of Bihar Teachers History Makers. I, Prince Charles, feel electrified and thrilled to wish all of you a very happy Independence Day. Yes, a very happy Independence Day to all of you. Today is the day to cherish. It's the day to enjoy. It's the day to celebrate. So let's celebrate this auspicious day. Let's celebrate this pious day and let's celebrate this historical day. And that is the reason I have decided to deliver a small speech on this Independence Day. Today the title of my speech is My Nation Wants From Me. My nation wants from me. Yes, it's good that we are celebrating this day, but we need to ask few things to ourselves. We need to introspect, we need to reflect, we need to ask our heart, we need to tap our soul, and we need to tap our conscience, and we really need to introspect and ask ourselves that what does India want from us? What does nation want from us? What does this country want from us? Let's not ask what country has done for us. Rather, let's focus what we have done or what we have been doing for our country. Don't ask what we want from the nation. Rather, let's try to focus what nation wants from us. Let's not ask what opportunities country offered to us. Rather, ask ourselves what we are giving to this nation. Yes, on this pious occasion of Independence Day, in very short, I would like to put forth something that we all need to focus, that is the demand of our nation. What does our country demand? Have we ever thought? What does our country demand? If we go deep into it, we'll find the answer. Our country demands nothing. Our country demands nothing from us. Our country wants only one thing from us. That is honesty. Only one thing. If we'll go deep into it, we'll realize the country wants integrity and honesty. The nation only wants from us that in whichsoever profession we are, we should do our work honestly. Whether we are teachers, whether we are students, whether we are in police, whether we are doctors, or whatsoever profession we are engrossed in, we need to do our work honestly. And if everybody in the country will do its best, will do his or her best, and will do the work honestly, automatically and eventually our country will grow. There will be peace, there will be prosperity. This is only the core message that India wants, the nation wants from us. And we need to ask ourselves that are we honest? Are we doing our work honestly? Are we doing our work properly? The answer is known to all of us. The answer may vary from person to person, but this is the time we need to think. We need to work upon that, because our soldiers who are at border, they are doing their work honestly. Their lives are at risk. They are protecting day in and day out. 24 hours they are working for us, for the nation, and we need to salute them. We need to love them, adore them, and respect them. Here, we need to take the charge. Here, we need to be a whistleblower. Let's have the guts to speak against corruption, to speak against bad things, to speak against evil things, and let's do our work honestly. And if anyone does work, let's appreciate each other. This is the simplest thing any nation wants, and this is the simplest thing India wants from us, because our country, our forefathers have given many things. We cannot pay them back, but we can do our work honestly, and this is the tribute we can give to our nation, we can give to our soldiers, and we can give to our forefathers who have fought, who have given their lives, who have sacrificed their lives for us. So once again, let's think and let's reflect, and a very happy Independence Day to all of you. Thank you very much.